Right, here we go. Next build. Lamborghini Countach LP500 Peter Wolf by Deagostini, pack 1. Bit of a confession, I've already done it and I didn't film it. So I'll bring it up to date because pack 2 has just arrived. So we'll do an unboxing of that one and then we'll do a build. So I'll take you along with this one. Let's put that out of the way. Right. So pack 1. Here we go. Rear fin. Your rear spoiler. Now in the build it tells you put the legs on, but clumsy boy here will snap them buggers off before I get round to fitting it on car. So I'll put them on. They're all kept safe in a little box. I'll show you my little box. We'll get back to that. Heavy metal music. Right, front bumper. I put the two parts together, the fog lights in, the lenses, making sure that the lenses are the right way up. Don't want that mistake. But that's your front bumper. Simple. Just bolt two bits together. Right, some nice heavy items. Wheels. One front, one rear. Look at that big fat boy. Right, they weigh a ton. Anybody building a 1.8 car, you know things in metal are heavy. Honestly, these are the heaviest wheels I've come across. There's some more details to come in there as well, so I'll show you them when we get to them. Now, simple thing, the seat. We're not doing anything with that. That's just put to the side, and it's just going to get some clear lacquer on it at a later stage to make it look a bit more real. Right, here's a little teaser. End of the block. So I think that's fuel filter, housing, maybe. 2 pulleys, just end of the block. Yeah, 2 little screws, that's it. But there's more of that to come. And here it comes right now. There you go. Your top of your block with your covers. Now each one of them covers has got, believe it or not, a gasket underneath every one of them. Very nice, very nice. All these little nuts have had to be put in, except for these 2. They're for a later date. There's 2 longer ones that go in there, but they're put away in the little box. Very nice, that. Metal. Next, bonnet. There you go. I'm taking in the Peter Wolf. Now I did want to debadge that and just do a normal Lamborghini build, but underneath that badge it's actually recessed, so I couldn't. So this will be a Peter Wolf build. I was going to spray all the bumpers red to match the car, but no, I'm going to go with the original. Right, get yourself one of these boxes, because you will need, and I'll probably, that's just after pack 1, I will probably need some more, and I have got some. So there we go. I'll open this up. Spill everything all over the place. Right, there for the rear wings. But, like I say, they will be fitted. I have fitted them and put them on, and then I took them off. I've thought ahead. 2 magnetic, there you go, hubcaps, and there got your Lamborghini logos on. They will go in the wheels, but for now they go back in the box. Now we did get quite a few components for the engine, which it just simply putting together, nuts, pulleys, covers on. Got some belts will go on. That looks like an alternator pulley, fan pulley. That's for later. And put together a little AC, working pulley look. So that's for the AC. So I'll bring you along with me on this build, as I've got pack 2 ready. So like, share, subscribe. I'll see you soon. I hope you enjoy.